In this video, I will explain how you can execute the function after you click on the button in Google Sheet. So first of all, we will see how to create this button. For example, here you can see this calculate button. So let us see how to create this button, and in the next part, we will see how to execute a specific function after clicking on this button. So to create a button something like this, you have to go to the insert, then click on drawing, then you can select the shape which looks like a button like that, and then here you can type any name. So my button, for example, then save and close. So my button is over here. Once the button is created, to assign the function to this particular button, you have to click on these three buttons and then click on assign script. After that, you have to type the name of the function and then click on OK. Now, where is the function? To create the function, what you have to do is that you have to go to these extensions, then click on app script. Once you click on app script, the window something like this opens up, and here you can write a function. So here you can see that I have written one function which is called as calc, and what this function is basically going to do is that from the given sheet it is gonna take this range F54 to F56, F54 to F56. You can see this is the range that it is gonna take, and then it is gonna add all values that are there in that particular range, and it will be stored in this variable sum. So this is a JavaScript function, and finally once that sum is calculated, it is being stored in F57 cell. Okay, so the result will be stored over here. So I'm just gonna click on this calculate button because I have assigned the calc function for this particular button. So I'm just gonna click on that. You can see it is saying running script and the result is over here. So if I increase this value, say 22, you can see that it is not updating this particular value because it is not a normal sum function. This particular value will be updated only when you click on this calculate button. You can see that value is updated now. So right now calculate button is working, but this button is not working. So let us assign the same script to this button as well. So just click here and then click on assign script, and here you have to type the name of the function which is calc, then click on OK, and I'm gonna remove this result. So if I click over here, again the result will be printed over here. So you can see that the result is printed. That's it. That's how you can create a button and then assign a script to that particular button in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.